Right now, sentiment around renewable energy is unusually high at plus 0.80, especially given the recent downward momentum of minus 0.46 over the past 24 hours. This divergence suggests a strong rebound in positive sentiment despite a temporary dip in interest or investment. Our API returns detailed sentiment metrics, including semantic clusters, that help you understand the nuances driving these shifts. For instance, you could leverage this data to optimize your renewable energy marketing strategy, tailoring campaigns to capitalize on this surge in positive sentiment. To dive deeper and see how you can integrate this into your projects, check out our documentation at pulsebit.lojenterprise.com/docs. Explore the data-driving decisions that matter in your development journey.